Hey guys, it's me Bailey back with another video. So today I thought I would show you two of my fluffy slimes. So let's just do it. By the way, I hope you like my outfit. It's mini, and look at these cute little leggings. They're super cute. So this slime used to be like I made it like 2 days ago. So it was in the car because I brought it to my dad's to show him it. So it used to look like that color, but it melted in the car when we were at my grandma's because she's been like on a trip for 7 weeks. But we see her a lot. But it melted in the car because we were there for like an hour, and it melted in the car. So, because we went to see her, and it melted in the car. So I added detergent. It didn't really work, but it was tied, so it was the same color as it was. So it didn't work. It did a little, but it was still super sticky. So I added shaving cream. It's still a bit sticky, but not sticky at all like it used to be. I should get my sleeves up, because this is a brand new thing. By the way, this is from Goodwill, but it's like a brand new. Sorry guys, I'll be back when my hands are clean. So I'm done. By the way guys, these are both such different textured slimes. This one is still out. It only like sticks to you if you like squeeze it like I did. So I'm gonna try to get this slime at the top. Oh, and I made this. Why did I say 2 days ago? Yeah, 2 days ago, Friday. And today is Sunday. Why do I sound weird? Sorry guys, my videos are not uploading a lot of them. I don't know what's wrong, but I've been uploading like constantly, and the videos are just not going through. I do not know what's up, so sorry about that. But this slime is really good, and I love it. The only downside about this is it sticks when you squish it like a maniac. So yeah, on to the next one. Here it is. Such a different texture. As I said before, it's not sticky at all. Well, actually, it is a bit. Sorry guys, like I said, I need to pull up these sleeves. They fall down like really easy, so they fall down again. Sorry, they're like already falling. I have to squeeze my arms. So here is this. It has star. This is actually used to be clear too, but I added shaving cream to it. It was a clear pink, and then I also added what's it called? Puffy paint to it. If you saw that video, see there's stars in it. So this barely sticks. Is there any blue? I'm gonna get off it if it is. Get off it. Did I just get it on my brand new sweater? By the way guys, I love this sweater. These are both such good pokeballs. Sorry you're not seeing me do ASMR. I'll do that at the end. Okay. Yeah. So now let's do some ASMR. By the way, guys, this slime smells super good because I added a good smelling detergent. Let's keep going. By the way, guys, the blue slime is kind of a jiggly slime. Let's get back to the vid. So, yeah guys, that was some slime ASMR, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry you're starting to move. I love you guys so much. If you like my slimes, like the video, and comment down below your favorite slime out of the blue and the pink. Mine personally is the blue because I love the texture and I love how it feels. But I also like how the pink doesn't stick at all. The blue actually doesn't really stick anymore. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So yeah, TTYL, if you don't know what that means, it means T-Talk, T-2-Y-U-L later. So TTYL. Love you guys. Bye. Have a nice day.